Ethereum truly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that generally has a current worth of $2.06 and a market capitalization of $247,977,779,850 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies essentially have commonly lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in opposition to mainstream thinking. These days, it's a resource class that really is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which sort of is genuinely huge. Some huge venture banks even really procure Ethereum and fundamentally other digital currencies all at once to for the most part safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in a very large manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to really uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that in every practical sense depend on the readings of our kind of exceptional crypto unpredictability file that explicitly assists us with checking the market opinion and by and large, expect where in which the market plans to go. Extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is $2.06 while the coin presently especially ends up at second spot in the sort of bin large positioning in an unpretentious manner. The said positioning truly is assessed based on the resource's most certainly present value that explicitly is duplicated by its especially current market capitalization, an equation that in every practical sense is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, which explicitly shows that at this point, the cost of Ethereum sort of is $2.06 while the coin right now in a real sense ends up at second spot in the really generally positioning. In every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, or so they in a real sense thought. On November 8, the cost of Ethereum generally was at $1.888.12 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change sort of added up to 9.19%. Exhibiting that our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients basically get the most significant information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios, which basically shows that at this point, the cost of Ethereum by and large is $2.06 while the coin right now for the most part winds up at second spot in the generally speaking genuinely positioning in a genuinely significant manner. 7 days prior, on November 2, ETH generally was esteemed at $1.846.77, which in every practical sense really intends that from that point forward, the cost for the most part has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on October 9, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1.580.33. Consequently, the coin for the most part has taken a 30.47% action to arrive at its current standings in every way that really matters, large way especially. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main by and large factor that we generally consider while making the cost expectation, which really is genuinely huge. It's likewise vital to explicitly watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to fundamentally have an in every way that really matters, clear perspective on where the market most certainly is going in a kind of large manner. The examination of market capitalization in every way that really matters conveys truly equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, or so they basically thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to decide the kind of generally speaking position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a genuinely significant way. Changes in market capitalization kind of certain or genuinely negative generally are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could basically be going, as well as the resources in every practical sense, potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both especially short and long-haul points of view, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This by and large specific genuinely metric is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum, according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, or so they generally thought. To truly decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of ETH, We in every practical sense duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will especially be truly made sense of later by the kind of present worth of the digital money under survey in a really significant manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum in every practical sense remains at $247,977,779,850 win, which frames the reason for sort of present extremely positioning was referenced before, which generally is very huge. Yesterday, on November 8, ETH sort of had a market capitalization of $227.08 win 573,592. Keep going week on November 2, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every way that really matters was recorded at $222,109,825,390. A month prior, on October 9, the market worth of Ethereum generally was surveyed to sort of be $190,032,945,647 in an unobtrusive manner. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that essentially have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. These digital currencies can basically be utilized either for most certainly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that truly have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which especially is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the all-out supply of Ethereum sort of is laid out at 120,266,597 ETH, so as a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized to decide the by and large generally speaking position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an unobtrusive way basically. Finally, the circling supply is utilized to explicitly compute the market capitalization and truly evaluate the coins truly current remaining in the positions, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It means the general measure of ETH that basically is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that generally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue in every practical sense, significant way. It's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that truly have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million by and large are the most appropriate for genuinely long-haul venture, since they are generally commonly prone to in a real sense value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Or so they for the most part thought. At this point, Ethereum fundamentally has a circling supply of 120,266,597 coins in an unobtrusive manner. Over the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $22,424,650 win 939 versus the truly thought. Yesterday, on November 8, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $9,203,228 win 152. 7 days prior, on November 2, how much ETH that explicitly was traded between market members explicitly was assessed at $10,627,700.